Hi kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, A to L. Kids, let's learn colors name. Pink color, purple color, green, orange, brown, yellow, red, sky blue, blue, violet, green, and black color, pink color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. This is letter B. Now we are tracing letter C. Kids, this is letter D. Purple color. This is letter E. Now we are tracing letter F. This is letter G. H. Orange color. I. J. This is letter K. Kids, we are tracing letter L. Black color. This is letter A. Letter B. This is letter C. Now kids, we are tracing letter D. Red color. E. This is letter F. Now we are tracing letter G. H. This is yellow color. I. J. K. L. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lion. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.